Look at me, starting on the other side today. I am going to be painting on, this is a ceramic tile. I have taped up the back. And I am using alizarin, ultramarine, and deep yellow. And this is, let me see how big it is. It is, okay, trying to work with one hand. Let's see, 16, 4 by 16. Okay. Oh, here's from the last video. It's still drying. Oh, and I'll show you, this is for a commission. I think I'm done. I may be adding more to it. I am not quite sure. But with that tile, I'm thinking, because I was like, I don't know what could I do with these? And then I was thinking I could put hooks on them and they could work as like a coat rack kind of thing. And what I would do for that is what I did with this is I made this, it's a tile, super pretty Shabbat candlestick holder. So you would stick your candles in there. And then, so this was the base. And this was also my idea to, oh my gosh. Oh, it's broken. So it is ceramic, it can break. So I guess this is mine now. So anywho, these you could use, that was an idea to hang tile. But what I did for this was I resined it and then I resined these things on top of it so that they will never fall off. As we just found out, the tile may disintegrate, but the bolts are there to stay. But I also did not take care of that. It was never listed for sale, and I've been moving it around the basement every time I organize stuff. So it was not taken care of the best. So it will obviously not be for sale anymore. So this is my Dutch Boy paint. I don't always show it, but I can right now. It is satin, ultra white, interior latex. So pretty much any brand is good, any decent paint. I started with that one and really like it, so I've never switched. But I have used Benjamin Moore, and I've used a couple others. I've used some that are kind of like no-name brands, and those work as well. Because I used to, when I first started, I would go and get, a lot of the Oops paints at stores, the ones that were mixed wrong, wrong colors or something. So in doing that, I tried out a lot of different brands, but I don't really do that anymore, primarily because it's always really boring colors. It's like browns. It's always shades of tan. So, and I don't use much brown in my work, so. And I'm just touching up the edges. All right, let me just shake these paints up. again in a shot glass that I've been using. Somebody's like, it looks like a test tube. Well, I think they are test tubes, but they fill them up and they put them upside down in mixed drinks. So they are, so you could use a test tube. Meaning to measure the amount. But I like with this that the colors, since it's so narrow, the colors come out like one at a time almost, because they're not really mixing much. Especially if you just tilt it and drop it. I used to use this color combination all the time. It was like a go-to for me. Torch it so then I can go back over it. Now I go back over it to smooth out. It's weird. It's like the white almost like curdled. That's happened if I do, oh, you know what, I hadn't washed out that shot glass. I wonder if there was just some weird stuff left in it. Some dried paint. Most likely that is the case. Ooh, I like the colors that are coming out of there. But I want to try and even it out. See how I've kind of have it balanced now? It's not so zigzaggedy. Okay, I really like that. I really wish I could think of other things to do with this besides, I mean, obviously a wall hanging or a coat hook thingy. It would look pretty with like the little glass votive holders. That would look pretty on there too. I probably wouldn't want to resin those though onto it because people might want to take them off to clean them. I am thinking I really like this. I'm gonna look and see if I have do I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 coasters in these colors. So I'm gonna move this. Not obviously bothering to tape the backs of these. I can just put felt on the back since they'll be coasters. I just really like that color combo. Doesn't this one spread? Hope you all are having a nice day. It is oh my gosh, none of these want to move. White must be thicker than usual. It is Sunday for me. You'll probably be watching this towards the end of the week. We're trying out a new restaurant in town tonight. It's called like the Monster Club. And I like monsters. So I thought it'd be kind of fun. We'll see. And they have vegan food, so my husband will be happy. They've got like barbecue, jackfruit sandwiches, which I hate jackfruit. My husband likes all sorts of weird foods. Actually, I've only had jackfruit twice. I just thought it was really like sour, and tart, and weird. I was in the kitchen for 5 hours yesterday making. Okay, so my phone had overheated, which I don't really know why, so I don't even know where it stopped. But all I'm doing is pouring the white. I've never had a phone that like overheated before, except for this stupid one. It had stuff going on in the background, so maybe that was why, since it was trying to film and had stuff I do not know. Alrighty. I'm going to use a metallic red this time. And I'm just going to dump it all over the side, apparently. Whoa, okay. So my phone died again, getting overheated. So I am going to show you at this stage with the flip and drag going across. I'm going to use the same technique as I did on the other. So I'm going to turn my phone off, and then when I'm finished, I will show you guys the final result. Bye. Okay, so I finished them. This one is my favorite. So cool. And then there's this one. that one, and that one. And then I will come give you a close-up of this one, which was the exact same colors except alizarin versus metallic red. Super cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.